Here's the next day. Welcome back for another vlog. We just got back from church, but Destiny had to show you guys her church glow. Looking so pretty. She about to go change though. Looking so nice. I gotta wash her hair today.
Like 2 hours because we have
No, we're not doing. Ain't no 2 hours. I'm gonna wash her hair pretty soon.
No, because we have to leave.
We'll go Dollar Tree later after I wash your hair, or maybe when we get back. We'll see.
When we get back.
Destiny, why we gotta negotiate this?
I just wanna do it when we get back after we do the haul.
Okay, but I just wanted to show you guys her outfit of the day, and
it's white for them. It's like white for the background with flowers, and it's super pretty.
yes,
With ruffles.
ruffles. There you have it. So like I said, we just got back from church, and this is my shirt. It was my turn to serve today, so usually I wear jeans and a t-shirt or our church shirt, but I got this t-shirt from Love and Faith. I love it. It's a tie-dye shirt. I'm tired. I'm about to go eat some. My husband went to go pick up the groceries because we did Walmart grocery pickup. I was going to do Aldi pickup, but they didn't have like half the stuff that we needed, so we did Walmart instead. And then I think we might get some stuff from Sam's Club too. I don't know, but once he gets back, I'll show you guys a grocery haul. The haul is for 2 weeks. I did a menu. Let me go get that notebook. I did a menu and everything. So every 2 weeks I get like something like a menu. So let me see how many meals did I pick up. Half the meals come from the Magnolia Table cookbook, the new one that she came out with, or the first one? The first one. And because I use the cookbooks that I order, so I picked a few recipes to try out of that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I picked 9 meals to make because in between we eat leftovers as well. I don't like to waste any food. Excuse me. I also added some meals and recipes to my made dinners, which I also put that in the community tab, and I will also make sure to link that down in my description box as well, so you guys could go ahead and try it out just in case you guys want to try some new recipes, because I don't like to try the same stuff over and over. Like right now I have no choice but to feed my kids spaghetti once a week because they really love it, but other than that, everything else I like to do something different. The same stuff over and over, I don't like it. So we only have a few things to get from Sam's Club, like 4 items. I for sure need more vinegar because I use it in my laundry and to make my DIY cleaners as well. So I'll make sure I get that from Sam's Club because you can get the 2-pack from there. It's pretty cheap actually. But all right guys, so when he gets back, I will show you guys the grocery haul. So my husband is back, so I will show you guys the haul. Most of the stuff came from Walmart and the rest came from Sam's Club. We didn't spend much at Sam's Club, so everything was about $206, man. $207. So this is a meal for 2 weeks. So I'm about to shock you guys. Guess who's getting ready to do the haul? Devin! Say hi. Okay, Devin, so start off from the left side.
So we got marinara pasta sauce.
Okay, that's for a meal we're getting ready to make.
Chicken
okay,
broth.
we skipped over some things, man. Okay, so we have some avocados and
A green pepper.
right.
And we have tilapia skinless and boneless fillets. We have,
Hold on, you guys. You skipping?
I already said chicken broth.
Oh, my bad.
A sliced provolone cheese.
All right.
We have some cilantro, and we have a cabbage, I think.
It is a cabbage. It's a red cabbage for a slaw that oh, guess what, Devin? So I am making a red cabbage slaw with mangoes and cilantro. And guess what? It's a taco that's gonna be fish taco.
Oh.
What do you think of that?
Oh.
Wait, hold on now. You're supposed to be excited.
A fish taco?
Yes, fish tacos.
I think
Yay!
Huh?
your fish tacos are good.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. I just love your enthusiasm. Thank you, son.
Never tasted one like that.
All right. So my husband got some.
Gorilla Glue hot hot glue sticks.
For my wreaths, because I like the long sticks.
And we have wool dryer balls.
Yep.
And we have...
I just want to try them out. A lot of you guys have been suggesting for me to try the dryer balls with some essential oils in the dryer.
Now we have brioche buns. Ooh, and we have meatballs, which is probably...
Can you show them, Devin? Yep.
I like meatballs.
Me too. I'm planning on putting that in a slow cooker with some spaghetti sauce.
And we have fresh spinach.
Okay.
And we have thick and chunky salsa.
Yum.
And we have ground black pepper.
Yes, I needed a refill.
Now we have chopped green chilies and green chili enchilada sauce.
Okay.
Now we have Fiesta sides and Mexican rice.
I got 4 packs of that because that, sorry baby, let me go to this side. That will be going with some enchiladas. What do you think of that? I love food makes you happy.
Next we have Fudge mint cookies.
Okay, now I think, this is my opinion, this is 98 cents, but I think these are better than the Girl Scout cookies. What do you think of those, Devin?
I love them.
Oh, I know.
Next we have Bush's Best Seasoned Recipe, black beans.
Yum. So we got 2 cans of those for a recipe as well. Remember, check my May dinners down in my description box. So they got some mangoes for the
Now we have restaurant style white corn tortilla chips.
Yeah. So
now we have Lactate and organic milk.
You guys know Destiny is lactose intolerant, but guess what? I use this too, and it is so good.
I prefer organic better.
Yeah, well, the reason I buy them organic is because the expiration date lasts a lot longer than regular milk, so we don't waste milk, and I don't have to pour it down the drain. So this don't expire till July. So literally, we don't have to rush to drink milk, and plus it tastes better. It tastes so much better.
Next, we have fresh lemons from Florida.
No, fresh what?
Fresh lemons.
No, baby.
Wait, what? Fresh from...
What are you laughing at?
New red potatoes.
Potatoes. It's okay, Devin. It's your first time doing a haul.
And now we have Frosted.
So what's Frosted Flakes to you?
It's my favorite cereal.
It is.
I eat it like every breakfast.
Yeah.
Except if there's Chinese rice, then I rather eat.
That's Devin's favorite meal, Chinese rice, you guys.
No, I like it too.
Okay.
I like it more than you, Destiny. Next we have Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Requested by Destiny.
Yes. Her favorite
Next
cereal.
we have Jasmine Rice.
We love
Jasmine,
Jasmine.
I love
Princess Jumbo.
Now we have white corn tortillas for the fish tacos.
That's right. See?
Then we have a good old watermelon.
Oh, we love watermelon up in this house. And they're in season.
And we have chicken salad.
Yum. What do you guys think of that in your lunchbox? Chicken salad.
I would love it.
It's not cold.
No, thank
Yeah.
you.
Wait,
Next.
hold on.
Huh?
Did she just say no thank you in her lunchbox?
She's
You
picky.
don't want any?
Mom, she's picky, Mom. Her opinion doesn't
No,
count.
she's the choice.
Next, there's Angus Beef. And now we have distilled white vinegar, Member's Mark.
So y'all know I use this for everything. To clean, to do laundry, to a bunch of other stuff, to cook with. So we most likely will be getting more soon, John, because once I finish the fabric softener, I'll be switching over to vinegar.
And last, we have Welch's Family Farm Owned Juice.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
you gotta say the whole thing?
I made it. Uh-huh.
Destiny does the background sound. We get this case from sClub all the time, which I'm gonna have the boys restock their small fridge over there. But that's everything, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog.
Wish I could keep you a little bit longer, could make us feel a little bit stronger. Oh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door.
husband just came home with pizza, so I was only able to do one twist on her hair before I told her it's okay to go eat. Let me show you guys. That's the only thing I was able to do. Let me show you her hair. It was only able, I never do the lines right because the parting is actually her least favorite part, so
Heart.
her parts are never straight.
I didn't have to go and close the door.
I just finished Destiny's hair, so turn around, mama. This will last her a week, hopefully. The whole time she's in school, I won't have to, this is just cream, this will disappear, but I won't have to do her hair in the mornings. Who's this?
This is my teddy.
You guys, I got this, oh, you okay? I got this from the Goodwill, like when she was 2 years old. She's almost 8 now, and that's like her favorite teddy bear. Alright y'all, so we're getting ready to start baking the chocolate chip muffins for breakfast. So I'm doubling up this recipe. So if you guys want to go ahead and try it, the recipe is in my May dinners. Oh, in my description box, you'll find the recipe there. Girl, what you doing?
Mixing it.
I think it's well mixed. So we're getting ready to get started. I won't take you back step by step through it because the recipe will be available to you.
It'll be long too.
Oh yeah? Good, what's going on with the hand on the hip here? Lord, please help me, Jesus.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel?
Alright y'all, so we've been making a mess, and I kind of messed up because, you got it? Because of the fact that Destiny's filming for me. Okay, Destiny. Because of the fact that we're making a mess here. I messed up, I forgot the sour cream, so I had to put it in there with the flour. So it asks for 2/3 cups of mini chocolate chips, but I am doubling up the recipe, so I had to do this 4 times. What do you think of that, girl? Lots of chocolate. And just enough because I'm about to finish this whole thing. I'll save some for the top because I wanted to be able to sprinkle some on there. That means I have to add that to the grocery list. Gonna back up a little bit? Okay. And I will have to say this is pretty much kind of like an arm workout right here.
Arm workout. Sorry guys, if I'm moving too much. I'm just excited about them. I just want to eat them.
I know. It looks so good. Yo, I'm tired. I also gotta get Destiny clothes out for the week for school. The boys do their own thing.
You probably wouldn't be excited about Rosamond because you would take the chocolate chips out.
No, you wouldn't. She likes chocolate chips, David. Why are you always throwing shade?
I probably don't do the blueberries, but not chocolate chips.
Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we would be together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you, think about me. Are we thinking this through? Even we know meant to be, and you're doubting in me. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Think about me. Are we thinking this? Are we thinking this? Even we know meant to be, giving up in me. Tell me what should we Oh, I got to know. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Have we changed so damn much? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about me. I've been thinking this through. Tell me what you will do. Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Go find courage.
So I finally got Destiny's school clothes out. So what I like to do is I like to look at the weather, and it makes the morning so much easier. Last week I did not pick out her clothes. I let her do it instead. And let's just say it was a rough week. Every morning she didn't know what to pick, or if she did, it didn't match her clothes or it didn't fit or whatever. So this week I picked out her clothes. I looked at the weather. The first 3 days of this week is going to be raining, which we need the rain, you guys. Because when it don't rain, my allergies are even worse. What else? So that's done. The muffins are done. I was going to boil some eggs in the pressure cooker. I just don't have any more energy left in me, you guys. I don't know. I might still be able to do it. We'll see. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Tomorrow I am planning, it's Monday, and I am planning on kind of in a way taking the day off, because I need one so bad, you guys. Every single day I've been filming or working, making wreaths, which I love. I love making wreaths. I feel when I'm sitting down and I'm making it, it's very calming for me. I'm listening to my podcast, I'm watching a show on my phone or whatever. So that I don't mind at all. But I pretty much every single day last week I was pretty much filming. I just kind of need at least one day where I'm just chilling. I need it so badly. So that's probably what I'll be doing tomorrow. Maybe spending some time in the kitchen, because I do like to cook and bake and stuff. Well, I already baked, so there's no more baking. I don't know. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, you guys.